making ordinary life extraordinary, making ordinary day extraordinary, making ordinary moment extraordinary. Three things. First, be aware of divine presence. Be aware of God's presence in your mind, in your heart, in your life, in the people around you. Do not take it for granted. Because when we have this kind of mindset and awareness, we will always do what we are doing the best way we can. Because it will become a loving service and an offering to God, who is our Master, who is our King. Second, the joy of the Lord must be in our awareness. Remember, Jesus says, I give you my joy so that your joy be complete. In the Old Testament, it says, the joy of the Lord must be your strength. And therefore, every moment of our life, our joy, our enthusiasm be energized with the consciousness that it is only in Jesus that we have the lasting joy. Even we pass through difficulties, through problems, through challenges, they are just there as our school to become better people. The third is that we need to see to it that our life is in line with the commandments of God, with the teachings of the Lord. Our mentality coherent with the mind of Jesus Christ. Our heart seeking always what God loves. Our whole being seeking always what matters to God. It is in this way, therefore, that we can make whatever is ordinary becomes extraordinary. Our ordinary life becomes extraordinary in the eyes of God. And thinking that God is watching, that's an audience that is more important, that can never be taken for granted. Therefore, it will make our life ordinary, extraordinary.